Okay, let me check. Hello, hello. Okay, let me check. Yeah, the sound is coming. Okay, so yeah, hi everyone. So today we had our weekly expiry, and as you can see that, let's go to the chart. So first there was a huge downfall, okay, and yes, so it opened up, flat, almost flat, because already yeah. So the thing is that it opened up flat, and as we discussed yesterday, that prop decks as well as the FIIs were having new positions as put shots, but though they were having new positions as put shots, but they did not close the put buying positions, the FIIs. Okay, so bearish positions were already intact. So since the new positions were put short, so market opened flat. So they're only they ate some premium, and though it came down again, it went up. Okay, and even if you see that if you go to the options chain, I yesterday clearly showed you that at 17,000 and 17,100 they did the put shorts. Okay, so 17,100, the majority of the positions were at 17,000. So now if you can see that 17,000 expired at worthless, but 17,000 C did not expired worthless. Okay, so that's the thing, that because they did put shorts yesterday. Okay, and yeah, now let's go to our, and also okay, let's discuss some of the parts from today. So also today here, when everyone was expecting further fall, then I very clearly said you can just go and check the time. So the 38,500 level for Bank Nifty was very important, and that level, if you can go and check that, I posted it around 1206. So 1206 is here, here. So this is 12. So this is the first candle. So till 1206 also, I think Bank Nifty was not above 17,500. So I clearly told that this 17,500 either has to break or sustain for further. If it breaks, then further down move, and if it sustains, then things would start reversing from here. Okay, but okay, what now let's discuss what about the long term. So long term means in the coming few days, okay, tomorrow or on Monday. So the thing is that you see that Bank Nifty is trading within this range, 39,350 to 38,300. Okay, so one of these levels have to be broken. So now according to the end of the data will be coming, but which is looking bearish, but let's discuss. So the next thing is that 38,300. so you have to just see it went near to it, but it did not touch it. So maybe it can touch there and again jump or bounce back. Now let's go to the one day chart of Nifty. Okay, so the one day chart of Nifty, if you can see here, so from this level you can see that for consecutive 3 days Nifty is bouncing back because of the put short positions and nothing else. And yes, and if it goes down, then 16,821 would be the level. Okay, so please be careful about that. As I already said that it won't take much time to reach there. So let's now jump into the end of the data, but before jumping, yeah, you can see that the scores, Nifty scores and Bank Nifty scores, they started in the negative zone from the morning. Okay, and then you could see the very heavy fall. So everything worked fine according to the analysis and everything. And yes, now let's discuss the end of the day data. So the end of the day data, as you can see, is this futures long. It's almost the same. Okay, some positions have been closed, and futures short have been built up. If you look at the option chain, so option chain index, put short positions are there, but call short positions are in huge. So there is a huge call short positions that have been done, and also if you see that these put buying positions totally not closed, but yes, partially they are being closed, and these call long positions are just for hedging. But okay, so let's try to see where are these call short positions, and also these put buying positions, where are they closing. Okay, so let's go to the option chain. So let's go to the next week expiry, and as you can see here, so yeah, so as you can see here, 17,000 here. Okay, first let me show you the monthly one. So if you can see in the monthly, you see 17,100 here, 17,200. So gradually they are closing here. Okay, but 17,000, some positions have been built up here, but yes, I mean gradually they are trying to close also 17,000. But if you see, notice here that at I mean the OI change at 17,000 CE is more than 17,000 PE in the monthly option chain. And also, so yeah, the main conclusion from here is 17,200 and 100, they are booking profits. They are waiting for some more movement, I think, for to book the profits at 17,000. And yes, now let's go to the next week expiry. Next week expiry 17,000. You can see there is a huge OI built up on both the sides. Okay, so again this shows that again market will be volatile like this, going up and down. So the main trick they are trying to play here is that in one option chain they are making bullish position, and in another option chain they are making bearish positions, and they are taking both side, doing both side moves, and finally taking the advantage of both these positions. Okay, so again 17,000 both sides, the huge OI has been built up. So but I mean, since the futures they have done short position, so we can say that upside will be limited. So it would be better if you go for call shorts if you are a call writer. For put buyers, you have to wait for the right opportunity. Okay, so if you can see that XGX Nifty, it went up above 17,100 and then again coming below it. And so again all these zigzag and choppy moves are going to come. So option buyers, be a little careful. Yes, but I mean, if you are an option buyer, if you want to take positional position, so I showed you clearly the last week on 10th of October that here in this video I clearly showed you that at 17,000 the 100, 200 and 17,000 the put buying was being done, and if you did option buying there, then you gained a very nice profit. So where is that? Here, option chain. So yes, but now again, as you can see here, 17,000 they are also doing put shorts and also doing call shorts. So again the same type of moves are going to come up and down. So please be careful. But yes, down move will be expected, so downside will be expected, and with upside limited. Okay, until unless like the bears are getting hunted brutally and then going down, but ultimately the upside will be limited. Okay, so if the upside is limited, then how much is the limitation? So if you go and check here, so for Bank Nifty, I think above 40,000 or 40,000. I mean, if you go and just short, I mean, above the all-time high, it's very well for call writers. And yes, for Nifty, if you go and short at 17,400 or 500, I think it's a very good opportunity. And yes, so overall, since the first resistance would come at 17,228 if it's going up, and then the next one would come at 17,389. So these are the important levels. And again, market is bearish, but okay, so if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. And so I mean, today, whatever, like you saw that again both the sides moves are coming, so this will continue until unless like everyone figures out the game and they basically know what will happen. So this will continue. So just started last week, right? So they have, I mean, for everyone to figure out again another week or half they will continue, and after everyone figures out, they will change their strategy. Okay, so this is what the current strategy of the big players. So let me again remind you that they have started closing their put long positions. Okay, they have started booking profits, but the final blow will come, and I think then they will finally book all the profits. But yes, along with that, they are also doing put writing and huge call shorts. So expect that both the sides move will come, and future shorts, yes, it's in heavy quantity. So that guarantees that in the monthly option chain, upside will be limited. Okay, as of now. So yes, that's it for today, and what we are expecting next. If you have any queries, you can ask. Yes. Yes, so I mean, in these situations, only one thing you can do is you can take positional call shorts, because they have huge call writing positions, and you just sit and watch. So I mean, since they are taking both positions, like bullish positions as well as bearish positions, so bearish positions are being taken in the monthly option chain, and also in the futures, and bullish positions are being taken in the current expiry. Okay, so even in the current expiry, they are doing call shorts, but the bullish positions, I mean the put short, so the put short they are doing. So you see only one bullish positions they are taking, the put shorts. Okay, so the put short positions, they are doing it in the current week, and finally they are somehow managing it to keep it above some certain level, so that they are ultimately profitable with their put short positions as well as the put buying positions in the monthly option chain also. Okay, so this is why these things are, these abrupt moves are coming. But for now also, there is another thing that you can do, is you can just simply go to the monthly option chain 27 and look at 17,500 or 17,400, and see you have a nice premium. So you can just go and eat the premium, because for the monthly option chain also you have the next expiry and then the next expiry. Okay, so it's a nice premium. So yes, in between, if some bullish signal comes, then you can exit. So I mean, all you can do is go for positional call shorts and wait and eat the premiums. And for put buyers again, any option buyer, I also basically do mostly option buying. So I wait for the signal of the indicators. So whenever they give a certain signal, so the morning moves are way, like the morning moves are gives you a nice profit. So if you can capture the morning moves with option buying, that would be good. Or otherwise, like I wait for another certain move in the indicators, like if the scores are jumping in both the indicators, then I go for it, and within one candle I just exit. Okay, because if I'm getting the move in one candle, so just I exit, because in the next candle it just goes in the opposite direction. So market will be choppy like this in the coming days, so please be careful. Okay, and yeah, if you have anything else to ask. Okay, so that's it for today then. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely, and see you in the next one.